Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a contact on Redmi A3 Pro. To create a contact, go to Phone app, then go to Contacts, then click on Create New Contact on the top, and you can choose where to save your contact. You can save it in your Google Contacts, on your SIM card, or on your device. I'm gonna choose the Google account so it's synced between all of my devices. And now you can add a picture if you want, and then go to Gallery, Camera for example, or any other folder, and choose a photo. You can adjust it by pinching or swiping like I'm doing it right now. Then tap on Choose. Now you can set the first name. And the last name. You can also click here to reveal prefix, middle name, and suffix. Then here you can enter the company, the phone number, and you can select the label for the phone number. And when you enter one phone number, then it shows another field for another phone number. Then you can enter an email and select that label as well. You can add a significant date and add a label for it, and you can click on more fields to add more data about that person or create own fields about something. Then click on Save. And now the contact has been saved to your contacts. You can see that it's here. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.